Welcome to our channel. Is the Ferrari California the best V12 Ferrari ever made? Today we're going to take you on a thrilling POV drive to find out. Buckle up and let's dive into the world of this iconic Italian masterpiece. Introduced in 2008, the Ferrari California was a game changer. Known for its stunning design, luxurious comfort, and of course, that powerful V12 engine, it quickly became a favorite among car enthusiasts. Under the hood, the Ferrari California boasts a 4.3-liter V12 engine, producing an impressive 453 horsepower. This beauty can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 4 seconds, offering a driving experience that's both thrilling and smooth. Inside, the California doesn't disappoint. The leather-wrapped interior, advanced infotainment system, and comfortable seating make it perfect for long drives and spirited runs alike. It's a true grand tourer, blending performance with luxury. But what truly sets the Ferrari California apart is its versatility. Whether you're cruising through city streets, enjoying a coastal drive, or tackling winding mountain roads, this car excels in all environments. It's a Ferrari that you can drive every day. Now, how does the California stack up against other V12 Ferraris? Models like the 812 Superfast and the F12 Berlinetta offer more raw power and track-focused performance. However, the California's balance of luxury, practicality, and performance makes it a standout in its own right. So is the Ferrari California the best V12 Ferrari? For those who value a blend of luxury, versatility, and exhilarating performance, the answer might just be yes. It's a car that captures the essence of Ferrari while offering a unique and enjoyable driving experience. Thanks for joining us on this ride. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more epic car reviews. Until next time, keep driving and dreaming. Check out our other videos for more exciting car content. See you on the road.